You're being recorded.
What's that?
You're being recorded.
Okay, that's fine.
I don't answer any questions unless you have a search warrant.
And you're on private
I don't
property.
answer any questions.
All right, folks, welcome back. Here's a video you're going to like. It's quick and easy. Cops tried to harass these gentlemen, but they weren't having it. I'm sure these cops wanted to arrest these men like they were the devil and get them on possession. The bigger joke is that cops have nothing better to do than harass people on their own property. The reason these cops stink so bad is because they're on duty. These cops think it's Halloween year-round with those costumes of presumed authority. They soon realize their unbridled power is non-existent when they're asked to leave these gentlemen alone. Check out this video. I'll drop the original channel link for you in the description and in the pinned comment as always. Not everyone likes to do that, so shame on them. Let's get it, folks.
Nope, I don't want to answer any questions.
For what? Hold on, there's some cops who just like pulled up to where we're at. And
What's your name and badge number? What's your name and badge number?
So I'm gonna, hold on, let me call you right back. Alright, I'll call you right back. There's literally like 3 cops here. I don't know what's going on. Alright, bye.
You're being recorded.
What's that?
You're being recorded.
Okay, that's fine.
I don't answer any questions unless you have a search warrant.
And you're on private
I don't
property.
answer any questions.
Correct, I am. Do you live here?
We don't answer any questions.
We're here.
We do not answer any questions. Do you have a search warrant?
Property, if you don't live here, then
Do you have a search warrant? I don't need to answer any questions. Do you have a search warrant? If you don't, please leave. I am a peaceful person. Please
Yep,
leave.
you're on private property. You do not live here. Please leave.
okay, do you live here?
We don't answer any questions.
Why the fuck would he ask us if we're fucking here, then we live here? What the fuck doesn't he understand?
It's a nice day out. I'm enjoying the weather. I don't want to be inside. Leave me alone.
Just so you guys are aware, you're not allowed to go back to Discount City anymore, okay? They've asked that you do not return to that store. Do you understand?
What
I
happened?
haven't been to any store.
Okay. Well, we got called on a complaint involving your pickup, okay? And they request that you do not come back to the store,
Oh.
okay?
Have a good day. Thanks.
So what happened?
Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up.
The good old weaponization of police. The female cop said that the store called them to trespass these fellas. She said the pickup was described in the complaint, but we don't know if it was these guys or not. What we do know is that these guys didn't identify themselves. They kept their windows rolled up and doors locked. That's the way it's done, folks. The limited scope of authority was on full display here. The only thing these cops did was relay the message and leave, which is what's required by law. Why they needed 3 cops to do this is beyond my understanding. Maybe it has something to do with officer cowardice because we don't use that terminology, officer safety. I don't like paying for officer safety. I'd rather pay taxes for public safety. Alright folks, and that does it for today's video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and get empowered more and more with every video we present. Thank you for tuning in. We'll see you on the next one, or the last one if you missed it. Peace out.